The wine tasting method is a method used to evaluate and appreciate the qualities of different wines. It is defined by 4 steps: sight, smell, taste, and overall impression. Applied in investing, this method can be used to evaluate investment opportunities. There are 4 aspects to follow in an investment: the company's financials, industry trends, management team, and competitive landscape. And investors can evaluate each aspect separately to help them form an overall opinion on the investment opportunity. Let's see how this 4 steps from both wine testing and investing are related. Sight. This is the wine's appearance, referring to its color, clarity, and viscosity. On the investment's part, financials are similar to the appearance of a wine and can provide insights into the quality of a company. The financial situation of a company can help an investor to understand its potential for growth and profitability. Investors should examine the company's financial statements, like the revenue, profit margins, cash flow, and balance sheet. Smell. Here you discover wine's aroma, including its intensity, complexity, and character. Industry trends are similar to the aroma of a wine and can provide details on the company quality. Analyzing industry trends can provide insights into the potential for growth and profitability of an investment opportunity. Investors should take into account factors such as market size, competition, and regulatory environment. Taste. This step involves evaluating the wine's taste, including its sweetness, acidity, tannins, and body. Management team is the taste of a company and can provide insights into its quality. The quality of a company's management team can provide insights into its potential for success. Investors should evaluate the skills and experience of the management team. Overall impression. This step involves considering all the factors and forming an overall opinion on the wine. Finally, competitive landscape. Just as the overall impression of a wine takes into account all of the factors that have been evaluated. Investors should consider the overall competitive landscape of the investment opportunity. They should evaluate the company in comparison to its competitors in terms of product offerings, pricing, and market share. Just as with wine tasting, investors should look for complexity, balance, and depth when evaluating investments. They should also take the time to carefully evaluate each aspect of the investment opportunity before making a decision. By using the wine tasting method to evaluate investment opportunities, investors can break down the opportunity into different aspects and evaluate each aspect separately. This can help investors make more informed decisions. By taking a systematic approach to investing, investors can reduce the influence of emotions and biases, which can lead to better investment decisions over time. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.